Hi, you are now watching the OTOP series on every Monday morning. And pay attention, there is no other media group like Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp or WeChat that we share this market opinion. This valuable market opinion is only shared on every Monday morning in OTOP, only right here in YouTube. And this market opinion is going to help you do a wonderful stock pick after you do your homework. Stay tuned and I shall be right back. Welcome back to the OTOP 132 episode, and that's for the week 27 February year 2023. Well, this week we're going to share with you something interesting on currency, all right, because US dollar has been going up, regaining the strength, and market traders and investors are fearful of coming interest rates hikes over the next few FOMC, so it is difficult to pick any equities to invest in. So we are moving back to the currency. Stay tuned while we quickly going to do a quick revision on last week when we recommended and give the opinion on Dominion Energy trading in NYSE. So stay tuned. Well, first of all, let us quickly do a quick run through on last Friday, all right, on the US market. As you can see here, all the triple indexes were falling in rate. On closing, Dow Jones fell to 336 points, S&P 500 lost 42 points, and Nasdaq also lost 195 points, and all because of the fear in interest rate hikes as the US bond yields climb up upon market close before the weekend. Well, and taking a look at the gold prices, all right, the gold prices also fell off. The spot gold prices closed at $1,818 and down $8.80 on Friday closing, while the crude oil prices gained just $1.06, but closing price is at $76.45, which is still below $80. And the whole WTI crude prices have been trading in the range of $72 to $80 for many past weeks. Well, taking a look at last week, well, this is the Dominion Energy trading in US dollars. Well, last week we recommended the entry price at about $58 US per share, but the market actually didn't come down a lot, and closing price on Friday was $57 US, all right, and still pretty near to the bottom, or in fact we are looking at a quick rebound anytime soon. So if you are holding on a Dominion Energy, stay on, and this is a hold, and the reason is because this company is going to declare dividend on the 3rd of March, which is this coming week, all right, so stay tuned. And once the dividend is being declared over the next few days, we foresee there'll be a lot of interested buyers going into the market, because after the declaration of dividend on the 3rd of March, the payout date will be on the 20th March year 2023. So stay tuned for this Dominion Energy. And this week we want to quickly show you a very interesting currency, that is the US dollar versus yen. Right, US dollar versus yen, if you take a quick look here, all right, the uptrend on Friday was a little bit strong, as you can see, all right, there was a spike up, and the closing price was 136.49, all right, and it broke up about the previous resistance of about 135.40, all right, about 135.5, and pretty strong on the dollar yen. So this week we are looking at US dollar to be continuing the upward thrust against the Japanese yen. So yen will be devaluing, all right, devaluing. And taking a look at the 4-hour chart, well, the market pattern is pretty strong, and it has protruded above the 135.12 here, the resistance, and likely to go up to 138.10 or even higher to 139.8 in this coming week. Either is 1 or 2 weeks. So when we are looking at the strong dollar moving against the yen, that means yen is devaluing. What are we going to do on the shorting the yen? So there is this very interesting short yen ETFs that you can consider. Take a look at it, and it is called the YCS. All right, YCS is a ProShares Ultra Short yen 2 times leverage trading in NYSE. Okay, let's take a look at this YCS day chart. Right, earlier we were talking about the yen devaluing. When you trade this short yen, or you call it inverse ETF, it should be going up. All right, and the last Friday, the market suddenly spiked up and closed at a price of 58.62. All right, 58 US dollars and 62 cents. So this week we are looking at the market jumping higher as the yen devalues. All right, so on the top side 58, it could be easily moving up to 62. There is indeed a small profit room for you to get into. All right, if you take a look at this YCS and picked up some for your own profit making. Well, so ProShares YCS is the ETF this week that we are giving the market opinions. All right, this market going up mainly because it is on the inverse correlation to dollar yen, which means the dollar becomes stronger this week and yen will become weaker. Well, so catch it. Then quickly do your homework and come back to us on every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore or Malaysia, Hong Kong time as well. All right, and this is the OTOP 132 for the week 27 February year 2023. And very quickly, next week we are moving into March, so faster, end of the first quarter in the year 2023. And stay tuned, always come back to us on the DW World Equity Time, and we are always waiting for you on a Monday morning 9 a.m. Stay tuned.